Gotta take this off-road if I'm staying with the play. There's a small jump coming up. Whoa! Can't go round the train, gotta go over it.
Hey, there's a biker on your wing, Trevor.
I am aware of this.
Well, you gotta get him off. Do a roll or something.
While the man on my wing presents no immediate danger, I'll do my best to oblige you.
For the French War.
Ruining my yoga!
Get us out of here! Roger that!
Go in loud and dumb.
Let's go!
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your moment! Please don't make me ruin all the great work your plastic surgeons have been doing.
A modern city with traditional Southern values.
I underestimated how far he was going to go. What he was willing to do.
Visit the historic French Ward and enjoy local cuisine at one of our 5-star restaurants.
Killing them wasn't enough. Lincoln Clay was using them to send a message.
Or spend the afternoon in the bayou and take in its natural splendor.
Sal Marcano had no idea what he was going to unleash.
New Bordeaux. Safe, family-oriented fun. Make it your next vacation destination.
This city survived the War of 1812, the Civil War, and God knows how many hurricanes. But when Lincoln Clay went after the mob, he inflicted more damage than all the wars and hurricanes combined.
It's like to lose everything.
Welcome home, son.
Watch as I take it all away from it. How do I find Alvarez? How? were getting ready to fucking kill me.
I was just doing what Uncle Sal told me to do.
There's got to be something we can do.
You are Sal Marcano.
We wouldn't be in this fucking mess if you'd done what you were supposed to do.
This is a one-way road. Once you start down it, there ain't no turning back.
Marcano. History tells me that giving you more guns might be unhealthy for me.
It's not like that. Not anymore. I'll see to it they get in the hands of the right people.
You're much too serious about all this. It takes the fun out of it. Besides, that's the worst that could happen.
You could get us all killed.
Aye, that I could.
I'll clean this mess up. No reason for you to stick around.
Remember our deal. I'm expecting a cut of everything you bring in.
Hey, I know how this shit works. You'll get your money.
You kept the receipts.
Hey, yo, check out this fuck stick.
So tell us about Home 2.0.
Home system.
Problem?
What?
Here, hold this. Stand back. Great. Chip! It's a little... oh, hard to get out.
Spaz if you want to. Spaz if you want. Spaz if you want to. Spaz if you want. Spaz if you want to. Spaz if you want to.
If you want to.
Here is something you can't understand. How I can just kill a man. Here is something you can't understand. How I can just kill a man. Here is something you can't understand. How I can just kill a man. Here is something you can't understand. I've been doing. Now I know y'all be loving this shit right here. L-I-M-P, Biscuit is right here. People in the house, put them hands in the air. Cause if you don't care, then we don't care. See, I ain't giving a fuck. Quit pressing your luck. Untouchable, branded unfuckable. So where the fuck you at?
Fucking way!
Let's keep looking like
Hold up. What's that?
I'm pinned! You're outnumbered! Give up!